Today, I'm going to tell you how to do the crispy Thattai recipe. This is one of the most frequently made Diwali snacks as well. Let us now see how this is made. For this, we take 1 cup of roasted and sieved raw rice flour. Please note, the rice flour has to be nicely sieved to avoid the thattais from bursting in the oil. To this, we add 1 spoon of roasted urad dal powder, 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of hing, 1 spoon of salt for taste, and then we had 1 complete spoon of til, that is white til, and then a spoon of butter and a cup of chana dal soaked in water for 20 minutes. To this we also add some peanuts so that the thattais are crispy. We start with dry mixing this very well. To this we keep adding some water so that we can prepare the batter for the thattais. You can see that the consistency has to be maintained and you will get the batter in this form. And now start preparing small balls out of the batter. Once the balls are prepared, we then use a foil paper and grease it with oil so that it's non-sticky in nature, and then use this foil to flatten these balls into thattais. You can see I'm nicely flattening each of these balls into thattais. And once the thattais are ready, I have about 4 and 4, 8 in all. I start placing them in the oil which is already warm now, and you can see the sizzling bubbles which are coming out of the oil. Once these bubbles stop, I start taking the thattais out and placing them on a tissue paper. You can see the thattais have come out well, and also the color of the thattais. Now the thattais are ready to be had.